Going on, peoples? Just gonna do a quick unboxing. I got some baits from FishUSA. Just kind of they had a 25% sale not too long ago, so I figured I'd pick up a few things that I needed to restock. This room obviously is a bit different than what you've seen before, so we're going to be moving in a couple months, so I'm staying with other family right now, so we're going to have a different house and garage and all that here in a few months. So it was kind of exciting getting a new, just landed a different house, so we'll be doing some moving probably next spring when it gets warm again. So since we got cold weather here, probably here in Nebraska, but we'll see how that goes. But a little quick unboxing here. What all I picked up. Had to just kind of some of this, most of this is jigs and bladed jigs and stuff. One of these kind of stuck out of the packaging. Just gotta look at a few things. So let's see what we got. Got some chatterbaits, the Evo, black and blue. Picked up 3 of those. Let's see what else we got here. Some more of those, white finish. One other one, spot remover. And 2 more, lava craw. Got a couple kind of mini swim jigs here, black and blue. Another lava craw color. It says shad flash. And then we got dirty jigs. It's a compact swim jig, 5/16, bluegill color. Just got some Rage Menace pearl flash. And we got Zoom horny toads, excuse me, black and blue. And then I got some black and blue, or black with blue flake. We got double tail grubs. I like them on a swim jig. Spunk shads, ghost minnow. I would have got some more of those, but they didn't have much in stock with those, so that's pretty much the only ones that I got from there. So. And then I got a Crush 50 4K bluegill. So that's pretty much it in the box. But I just thought I'd share some tackle there with you. Back in the corner, I got some rods over that way. So I got some new rods, and then I got one more be coming in later this week, so I'm gonna show you guys hopefully next week new rods that I got, so, and what I'm gonna be running with this next year. So have a good one. See ya.